Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make stir-fry snap peas with garlic. And here are the ingredients. Half pound of sugar snap peas, 2 to 3 teaspoons of sliced garlic, and 2 to 3 teaspoons of oyster sauce. First of all, we need to heat the pan in medium heat, and then we will add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is nicely heated, we can add in our garlic. And we will stir fry it until it's slightly golden brown. I wish you could smell the garlic. It is so aromatic. Once it's slightly golden brown, we will add in the sugar snap peas. Now we can stir fry the snap pea until the colors become a little bit brighter. And that usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. And now we can add in our oyster sauce. After we add in our oyster sauce, we will continue to stir fry it for about 3 to 4 more minutes. Stir-fried sugar snap peas is done, guys. Now let's plate them. And let's take a closer look. The sugar snap peas should still be crispy. And the sliced garlic should be sweet and caramelized. This stir-fried sugar snap peas with garlic is a great side item to any meal. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. And please do not forget to click on the bell button to be notified of future videos. See you in my next video.